Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today what we're working on is diagnosing an oil leak I just started having in my Evo here. I had the car running on the lift and I jacked it up, let it run. I can see oil pouring out from under the car. Well, not pouring out, but you know, it's coming at a steady rate. So what I'm gonna do is today is I'm gonna remove all this stuff and try to get this corner down in here. Looks like where it's coming from. And try to figure out where the oil leak is. And then after that, I'm gonna move on to installing some different headlights in the car. Little JDM headlight action for you. And then we're done with that. We're gonna move on to putting this Evo up on the lift, the Evo 10 here. And try and button up the under tray. The under tray is hanging low. And also see how the bottom of the car looks. And this car is almost ready for sale. So that's what's in store for today. So I'm gonna go inside and start taking apart the engine bay here and see if I can find where the oil leak's coming from. I'm hoping it's something simple like a valve cover gasket or something. I guess we're gonna find out. So let me put you guys on time lapse. Here we go. Alright guys, I'll update for you. I got a little bit further in than I was hoping to. I'm in the process of removing the intake manifold because there's a sensor down here. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's only a sensor above the area I'm looking for that might be leaking. I think it's the oil pressure sensor. So it's all the way down there. I don't think you can see it. Maybe you can. But in the process of taking the intake manifold off, and hopefully I can get a new sensor or find some way to fix the issue with that one, and then just keep moving forward from there. So, but I'll give you an update in a couple minutes. Alright guys, so you have it. I put the whole engine back together, the intake manifold. I wound up not taking the intake manifold off. I just took the throttle body off and the EGR. It turned out that the oil pressure switch, oil pressure sensor was leaking. So I ran down the street, got a new one, I replaced it, and I started it up and the leak's gone. So that solves that problem. Now the car's not leaking oil anymore, which is good. Now we're gonna move on to replacing the factory headlights with the replacement headlight units over here. And as you can see, it's gonna be quite a difference before and after. So that's what I'm gonna do next. And then, you know, I can put you on time lapse so you can watch it. And I'll give you a good look at it when it's done.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Alright, as you guys can see, I had to remove the front bumper to access the bolts to hold the headlights in place. There's one here, one there, and one there. These headlights really have seen some better days. Something melted inside of here, which is odd. But they're just shot. And yeah, this bracket broke. So this is a much needed replacement set of headlights. This one, I'll drill that out and tap that out. The head snapped off apparently. So yeah, like I say, I take the bumper off, and that's how you access the bolts for the headlights. So, but I put the new ones in now. guys, now the car decided to snap 3 out of the 4 bolts. They're just so old and rusted in there. I gotta drill that one out and retap it. I gotta drill that one out and retap it. That one's fine. And I gotta drill, where'd it go? On the headlight itself. Well, anyway, I gotta drill out 2 of them and retap them. So I'll move on to that now.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Alright guys, we're just buttoning up the last couple of bolts here. Almost done. Alright, that's it. So, looks a lot better to me. Yeah, man. Alright. Put the front bumper back on and get right back to you. Alright guys, here's how the car looks with new headlights on it. They came out really well. Real good looking headlights. Better than the last ones. Yep. One of these days I'm going to get around to getting the front bumper repainted. Clean it up a little bit. But they came out great. Much better than what was on there. Now we're going to move on to put this thing up in the air here. And try to button up the under tray a little bit. And we'll go from there. Alright guys, got the Evo 10 up in the air. We have to replace the plastic under tray and stuff like that. You know, must have got caught on something at one time. So I'll order a new one of those, get that all squared away. And it's gonna be it for today. You know, I just wanted to get up in the air and check it out. You know, it's almost a 6-year-old car with 70,000 miles on it. So, well, I'll give you one last look at the blue car. This is it. Came out amazing. I'm super happy with the headlights, and that's gonna be it for today, guys. It's gonna be a short one, I guess. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have more Evo content coming soon, and hopefully the car will be back from paint soon. And see you guys next time. Subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thanks.